Welcome to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to lock your phone to one app using the Pin app option on your Samsung Galaxy device. This feature is extremely useful if you want to restrict access to your phone, especially when you lend it to kids or friends. By pinning the app, you can be sure that the user will only be able to use the selected app, while other apps remain protected. In this video, I will guide you step by step through the entire process so you can easily and quickly achieve the desired result. Let's get started. First, open the settings on your phone. Next, scroll down and find the Security and Privacy option and tap on it. Once you open this option, scroll down a bit more until you see More Security Settings and tap on it. Next, scroll down to the bottom and you will see the option called Pin app. Tap on it. Now you will first be presented with the option to enable the pinning feature. Turn it on by sliding the switch to the right. Additionally, there is an option for Require PIN before unpinning. If you enable this option, when you try to unpin the app, the system will ask you to enter the PIN you previously set during the setup of the locking function. This option adds an extra layer of security by ensuring that only you can unpin the app and access other parts of the phone. Now, exit the settings and open the app you want to use. I will choose Instagram. Once you open it, tap the Recent Apps button. When the preview of Open Apps appears, tap on the logo of the app you previously opened, and this will open a menu with options. In the menu, tap on Pin this app. After that, you will see a notification that the app is now pinned, along with the steps you need to take to unpin the app you previously pinned. If you try to exit the app in the way you did before, you will see that you cannot exit the app this way now. You will see a notification that the app is pinned, along with the steps you need to take to unpin the app. To unpin the app, press and hold the Recent Apps button and the back button at the same time. When you do this, the app will unpin and you will be able to return to the home screen or another app. If you enabled the Require PIN before unpinning option, you will first have to enter your PIN to unpin the app. This will also conclude this video. I hope it was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching and see you soon.